Imagine you're a salesperson. You've just closed a big deal. You're feeling on top of the world. But then, your boss comes up to you and says, "Great job. Here's your commission." You're like, "Cool, but what's a commission?" And then they say, "Oh, and by the way, you also have a spiff." Now, you're even more confused. What the heck is a spiff? The commission. A commission is essentially a percentage of the total sales you make. It's a way to incentivize you to sell more, and it's often a significant part of your income. Think of it like a bonus that's directly tied to your performance. For example, let's say you work at a car dealership. You sell a car for $20,000, and your commission rate is 5%. That means you'll get $1,000 as your commission. The more cars you sell, the more money you make. The spiff. A spiff, on the other hand, is a one-time bonus that's given for achieving a specific goal. It's like a reward for going above and beyond. For instance, your boss might offer a spiff for selling a certain number of units in a month or for introducing a new product to a customer. Spiffs can be a great way to motivate you to reach higher goals, but they're usually not as substantial as commissions. They're more like a pat on the back or a little extra cash to spend on something fun. Key differences. So, to recap, the main differences between commissions and spiffs are: frequency, commissions are ongoing, while spiffs are one-time bonuses. Amount, commissions are typically larger than spiffs. Goal, commissions are based on overall sales performance, while spiffs are tied to specific achievements. Real-world examples. Let's look at a few real-world examples to make things clearer. Salesperson at a tech company. The salesperson might receive a commission on every sale they make, plus a spiff for hitting a monthly sales target. Real estate agent. The agent might receive a commission on the sale of a property, plus a spiff for selling a property above its asking price. Insurance agent. The agent might receive a commission on every policy they sell, plus a spiff for selling a certain number of policies in a quarter. So, there you have it. Commissions and spiffs are both important tools for incentivizing salespeople, but they serve different purposes. Commissions are a consistent source of income, while spiffs are a way to reward exceptional performance. Understanding the difference between the two can help you negotiate your salary and maximize your earnings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.